nerdy dude stuff. Beer of the day, Happy Dad Hard Seltzer. Bink. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about plug and play mining at home. We're on a roll for 2024. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the news bell notification for stuff, Rusty. Anyway, cheers to you guys. All right, so before we get into the video, I wanted to do this on Sunday because I'm trying to, get more content out to you guys. And Sunday is a good weekly basis for DIMO since we, got into it. We're trying to get that one video a week, right? But unfortunately, my big beautiful gaming PC, I tripped on the surge protector. It was dead, but I got her fired back up. I actually had to bring it into a shop to get it repaired because I didn't know what I was doing. But anyway, the good news is she's back. She's ready to go. And so now we're going to get this video out to you. Today's video of the day is going to be about converting DIMO from the Polygon Matic network to the Ethereum network, because right now, if you wanted to take some profits on your token, the easiest way to do that would be to bridge it from Polygon to Ethereum and then probably send it to Coinbase to cash out if that's what you're in the project for. If you're another cryptocurrency holder, you like to accumulate the bag and hold. But if you are someone that does want to take profits to get your ROI really quick, this is going to be the way to do that. So without further ado, let's jump right to the computer screen, which we also fixed the whitewashing. Who knew that the HDR setting would screw it up that much? But let's go ahead and jump to the computer screen and go from there. This video is brought to you by me. And if you guys want to get your hands on one of these devices, stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you can save a little bit. And also use the code on screen now as a way to support the channel and earn yourself 50 DIMO tokens, which gives me 50 DIMO tokens when you sign up and register on the DIMO app after your Macaroon or AutoPie come in. I don't know how much I like this setup because, unfortunately, I think it looks awesome. My PC's got tempered glass here, but you can see the reflection of me, my screen and a little behind the scenes there, and what I'm working with. I don't know how much I like it. I like it, but that's weird. That's weird. Anyway, you guys aren't here to watch me go crazy and bitch and moan and complain about this. But anyway, so what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about going on the app and actually getting your DIMO token. So I'm going to pull up everything here and show you what I'm doing. So I have MetaMask. You guys can use either MetaMask or Rainbow Wallet or anything that's a good trusted type of wallet for your DIMO tokens. Or you do whatever you want. I'm not your boss. But anyway, so I set up in the actual DIMO app when I don't know why I'm yelling at you guys. I set up in the DIMO app when I first started the actual token just to get sent to the app, and it will be reflected here. You guys see here I got 539 DIMO tokens. Now, I do want to say that 39 of those tokens are actually from my rewards. I got paid out rewards twice already on DIMO, so 2 weeks is basically, I'm at an average of, we'll just say 20 DIMO a week, which is pretty good. And then the other 550 is for the affiliate program, which you saw a couple of seconds ago when I signed up under Helium Mart. I use their affiliate code, and then there's 9 people that signed up under me, so I greatly appreciate it. So all transparency aside, we've got more DIMO than average just because of the affiliate program, which is going to end probably soon. So let's jump on advantage of that. But what you can simply do is if you just want to set up the DIMO wallet on your phone, there's 2 options when you do this. It'll say setup, or you can incorporate your DIMO tokens to another wallet, which I just did the basic on my phone at the start. My PC was dead and I wanted to make sure everything was fine, and I had the tokens here. But once you actually have that set, you can then copy and send those tokens to your, for example, you see here on my screen, I got it. You could send your tokens to your MetaMask or your Rainbow wallet so you can actually transact on them. And the way you do that is in the DIMO app, I'm going to enlarge myself while I do this here. In the DIMO app, you are going to go into your account settings, which is the little tab on the very bottom. Yep, it's right here, the tab on the bottom. And then you're going to do export wallet, which is the second tab right there. Once you're in export wallet, it's going to go ahead and give you this little screen that's going to show you what you do. It's going to break it down for you and basically say that this process is going to take your private key and you're going to put it in a trusted wallet like MetaMask that you see on my screen behind me. And then it's going to be a mirror image of your DIMO wallet on the app, and the MetaMask wallet will be where you do your transaction. So anytime you send or receive DIMO, it's probably going to be done through MetaMask. I can't actually do it on the app at the moment, so you're going to do these transactions on the MetaMask, and then that's going to copy over. After you do that, you're going to hit the got it, and then you're going to see a screen like this. Don't even try to like zoom in. You're not going to see my private key, but it's going to say, make sure no one's looking over your shoulder. And if someone could copy like that number, unless it's like Dustin Hoffman or something, and Rain Man could copy the number in their brain for a few seconds they see, you're going to do show my private key. Once you do show private key, you're going to have your private key wallet address generated there, and you can then copy and paste it, or however you want, the most safely and secure way to get it over to your computer, so that way you can put this on your MetaMask. All I did for that one was I went into the account, I added account or hardware wallet, and then I imported the account. And then I put the private key right here. After that was all said and done, then I now had my secondary account, which has my DIMO tokens reflected right here. 539 DIMO, which you saw on the app. Well, actually, there's another step there, but you know, it was all set up and ready to go. Then what we had to do is we had to find the DIMO contract information. I believe it's here on this as well. Everything goes step by step. So this is on the DIMO support side of things. You go into support and you can find everything step by step. And this is all I did. So view DIMO in the wallet. So then we go right here, which is the blockchain tokens are on Polygon network. So then you're going to find the DIMO address right here. You're going to just hit copy. Control C is all I did there. You're going to pull up your MetaMask wallet. You're going to do the import token, and then you're going to paste the address here. If you do it all correctly, you can then add DIMO for the symbol. If it doesn't automatically populate, which it didn't for me here unless I have a space where I shouldn't, but if it did automatically populate or it doesn't, then all you need to do is then your token symbol is going to be DIMO, and then you follow the instructions here, and then you're going to do 18 for your decimal place. And we're not going to import that because we already have it imported, but after you do that correctly, you're going to see DIMO then added to your wallet and the exact amount that you have in tokens. So this is going to be on the Polygon tree. So you want to make sure you have some, or Polygon tree chain. So you want to make sure you have some Matic token in there for any transactions. I probably need to top up a little bit more, but you want to make sure you have some Matic token in there, because if you're going to want to take some credit on, if you want to take some profit on your DIMO, you're going to need to do a thing called bridging. I also wanted to do this on Sunday because I'm cutting back drinking 5 days a week, so I can drink on Saturday and Sundays because I need to lose a bunch of weight again. Anyway, so what you're going to want to do is move your DIMO. You're going to want to bridge your DIMO from the Polygon network to the Ethereum network, because that's the only way that you'll be able to take profit on Coinbase, because Coinbase has the DIMO pairing or token, but it's on the Ethereum blockchain, so you need to bridge it. So all you're going to need to do is continue on with the support page, and then you're going to go to this site here, wallet.polygon.technology, blah, blah, blah. If you have that bookmarked, great. If not, grab it, bookmark it if this is something you want to do. And then you're going to go in here, and you want to make sure you're on the Polygon POS network. You don't want to be on the Polygon ZKEVM or the Polygon Ethereum or the Ethereum. You want to be on the Polygon POS right now. And then we're going to go into our assets here. Now, I've already added it. You can see I've added my token right here as well. But you're just going to go ahead and you can search tokens by taking that. You can go back to your step-by-step guide right here. And this is going to walk you through everything. You will need Matic tokens, blah, blah, blah. You visit here. From there, you'll be asked to connect your wallet, which you connect your wallet. Make sure you're on the Polygon POS chain, not the ZKEVM chain. You're going to select withdraw. You should see Polygon chain from that. Click the drop down that likely says ETH. So we're going to copy this address right here because we don't have our actual token. But we can then, like, what I would have to do is have to paste the token in here. So that way it would be added. You guys won't see it. But once it's added here, I don't think there's another way that we can do it as well. That's already there. Yeah, so once it was already added onto here, then we have our DIMO. And then we're going to continue on. Right now, it's saying that DIMO is priced at 41 cents a pop. Holy crap. So again, use that referral code. It's also in the description below. So that way you can get 50 DIMO. And 50 DIMO that's over $20 right now. So you get $20 back on your purchase. So then you're going to hit bridge. And then you're going to, again, you want to make sure that you're in the Polygon POS. It's going to pull up your DIMO tokens. And then you're going to want to send it to the Ethereum network. And I don't recommend doing this at any time. Like, do this after like 1 in the morning, not right now. And you'll see why. I'm only going to do 25. I'm not actually doing this right now, but I'm showing only 25% of my DIMO, which is 134 DIMO. And I'm going to have it bridged to Ethereum. I can bridge to DIMO to Ethereum, but it's going to take a couple things. So what's going to happen is you're going to have two fees. You're going to have your gas fee for your bridge, and you're going to have your gas fee for your claim. So if I was to bridge this right now, and it's probably going to be hard to show on screen, but if I was to bridge this right now, the bridge transaction is going to cost me about a penny. Not a big deal. But the claim transaction is going to cost me about 0.0234 Ethereum at the current gas prices. So there's ways you could probably finagle and FanDugle it around, but you definitely don't want to be using the Ethereum network to claim these tokens, because that's going to be $58. That's almost 50. Wow, it's going to be $73. I didn't even do anything there. So right now it's very busy. Kind of want to maybe keep track of like how much whey costs and do this at like 1, 2 in the morning. Now, if you got like $10,000 worth of DIMO and you don't care about the $75, do it right now. Not a financial advisor, but if you don't care, you don't care, and you need that now, do it now. But this is going to take about 45 minutes. So what'll happen is you'll get the bridge will start, and then after about 45 minutes, you'll have the option to claim, and you're going to hit the claim button, and then you're going to pay all that, so make sure you have some Ethereum to do these transactions. And then if all goes well, and you have the DIMO token set up in your Ethereum wallet, then you're going to go into you're going to change your network to the Ethereum mainnet, and you will then see your DIMO over here, and then you can go into Coinbase, grab your Ethereum or your DIMO address in Coinbase, send however much that's going to be in gas, send your DIMO over there, and then you can cash out and take profit. Or there's other ways, whatever you want. But that's how you're going to bridge your DIMO from Polygon to the Ethereum network, so you can transact on it, potentially take profit, ROI, or anything like that. That is crazy. And it doesn't even matter. Like, even if I do like max of my DIMO, it's down to 67. But again, this is probably a high traffic time frame, so you really don't want to do any of this while you're, while it's busy, unless you have $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 worth of DIMO, and $75 isn't going to break the bank. That's going to do it for me today, guys. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram, Twitter, or Discord. Preferably just Discord. Just reach out to me on Discord. Maybe Twitter, or X now is what we call it. God, I need to get with the times. I'll check that occasionally to make sure. But again, if you guys want to get yourselves one of these DIMO devices, Helium Mart, they are taking pre-orders right now. They are currently out of stock of the DIMO, the Macaron, and the AutoPi. They will be getting those back here in the month of January, about a week or so. Actually, they're saying they're in stock, so they probably just got their shipments and everything in. It's their January stock. They're going to have about 1,000 or so of these devices that you can get. You can go ahead and use the code NERDYDUDESTUFF, all one word. This has to be on Helium Mart's website, not DIMO's website. This has to be on Helium Mart's website to save yourself a couple of bucks. Remember, if you have a vehicle older than 2008, don't really, you need a newer one. These are good in US, Canada, Europe, UK, Norway, Switzerland, and Turkey, which Turkey only for now. But again, if you guys want one, make sure you head over to Helium Mart, use code NERDYDUDESTUFF to save yourself a couple of bucks. And of course, it shows appreciation and love to the channel. Stay tuned. Maybe enlarge myself a little bit more here. That way you guys can see me as we make our final announcements for this video. Stay tuned, because again, I have been working with Helium Mart for quite some time, and I believe there is potentially, possibly, maybe going to be a competition for a free Macaroon device here in the next video or two. I'm going to work that out with my guys over at Helium Mart. We did start teasing, but hey, look at me, I'm right here. Huh? Little me. Again, I don't know if I like this, but there potentially is going to be a competition for a free DIMO. And even if you have yourself a Macaroon, even if you have yourself a Macaroon device and you have 2 vehicles, stay tuned, because the next video that we're doing will probably be either Saturday or Sunday, so 3 or 4 days from now. The next video that we're doing will be adding multiple vehicles to your DIMO account. So I have a second Macaroon. I have one coming from my wife's vehicle that I am going to set up into my account, and I am going to do a follow-up video on that. So, final announcements: there's potentially going to be a giveaway for a Macaroon device, and then if you win that, you're going to want to know how to set it up in a second vehicle if you already have one, and we're going to do a video on that. All right, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.